Want to add some bots to your Discord server? Let's begin. First, click on the name of your server. Then, open Server Settings and go to the app directory. After that, head to the Moderation and Tools section. As you can see, there are various bots to choose from. For example, I will pick in the E6. You can explore the overview of each bot, check the most used commands, and much more. You can add a bot directly or by using a link, and in some cases, you can even report it. Next, choose whether you want to use it everywhere or in a specific server. Select your server, choose your preferred permissions, and authorize it. And voila! You can now use the bot with certain commands. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.